Salamat ka dun sa inyo pagkari, no? So, an ako press statement, basahon ko ra kan kay this is a kuan ka ng consensus with the board. No? This morning, 26 December 2025, Surigao Metropolitan Water District was furnished a copy of a notice of cancellation of business permit after a show cause order issued by the Honorable Mayor Pablo Ib L. Dumlao II of the City of Surigao, declaring, and I quote, "Now therefore, premises considered, and in pursuit of protecting the general welfare of all customers of prime water within the territorial jurisdiction of Surigao City, and by virtue of the authority granted by Sangguniang Panglungsod Resolution Number 271-2025, the business permit of Prime Water Infrastructure Corporation is hereby revoked, cancelled. In view of the revocation and or cancellation of the business permit of Prime Water Infrastructure Corporation, the Surigao Metropolitan Water District will now assume the operations of PWIC, including but not limited to providing potable water to the constituents of the City of Surigao and the neighboring municipalities of San Francisco, Surigao del Norte. The maintenance of water facilities and equipment and bill collections pursuant to its legal mandate under Presidential Decree Number 198. The public is hereby advised that effective the close of the business hour of 26 December 2025, today, all concerns relative to the water, to the supply of water and lack of it, the water pressure, repairs and maintenance of water facilities, collections and related issues shall be addressed to SMWD or its personnel. Payments made through GCash, PMaya, 7-Eleven, and other online facilities are temporarily disallowed. We indulge the patience, understanding, and consideration of the public during this period of transition. Salamat karaga.